Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a spelling and grammar check in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top and select Spelling and Grammar. If you want to run a spelling and grammar check, go ahead and select that option. Alternatively, you can also select the Control, Alt, and X key combination on your keyboard in order to open that up as well. So it'll give you a rundown of what it suggests here, and you just click on the little arrow to view the next suggestion. And if you want to accept the suggestions as you go through, you can either accept or ignore them. So pretty straightforward process on that. If you want to add any items to your personal dictionary besides just ignoring the item, you can click the More Options button and select View Personal Dictionary, in which case you can add a specific word in here and then select the Add button. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.